Hey everyone, this is Bruce. Give you a little backstory of this car. It doesn't belong to me personally, but they left it here when I bought the house. Me and my wife have been living here for a year, and I discovered this car shortly after. This is a mid-60s Mustang. It would be a complete rust restoration, but that's something I've never done before. But I'm willing to give it a try. I am mechanically inclined, but there's just so much that needs to be done to this car. Like there's no there's no transmission, no engine, no rear axle. I mean, just nothing. Like it's just a shell. That's all it is, basically, just a shell. The body is in bad shape in the rear. I'll show you that in a second. Here is the front. Like the wheel cylinders all busted up, everything. I mean, I already know for a fact this car's going to be completely redone, but that is something that I would definitely be interested in doing. Like you can see all the holes and everything. Is this car's seen its days, but like even it needs a new windshield. Just everything just has no rear window. I'm not even sure if there's a trunk to it. There's so many leaves and everything inside, but like you can see the door frame's just kind of messed up. So let me know if you think it's possible that this car can be restored. That's something I'm really curious about. But here's the rear fender well. See how it's just flaring out, going all back there. And the one thing I don't have is money and honestly time to do anything. Yep, there's no trunk. You can just see all the leaves and everything. Now that I'm looking at it better, I don't know what's like through the camera, but seeing it personally is just what it is. But someone told me it's about a about a 64 Mustang, I believe. But let me know what you think. Anybody that knows about Mustangs more than I do. That I'm trying to give you the best angle shots that I can give you. And there's a hole in the trunk right there, if y'all can see it. But I would definitely love to get this car fixed. Probably paint it blue, like a midnight blue, something like that. I don't know yet, but if it's even salvageable. But I would definitely love to pull this out of the woods, put it in my shop, and just start seeing what I can do with it. And if this is something, if y'all want to follow my channel, see how the car goes along over time, I will be glad to let you know about it when it comes to it. I just don't have the time and money right now to pull it out. But my main channel is going to be focused on my 2011 Evo. So I'm going to be driving through my neighborhood, and you'll see the things that goes on, just daily riding, just or weekly, I should say. I drive it about once a week. But yeah, just let me know what y'all think.